For every one black dream, there are 10 black nightmares. For every one black educated, there are 6 non-educated. Our young men are in the streets being praised with negative values. Families are being destroyed, and big corporate America is collecting a fat check for every black family that they destroy. How? Millions are made off of degrading lyrics of today's explicit music, while the minds of our black youth are being formed in the darkness of negativity. They then begin to act out and perform the things heard. All while the governmental agencies are creating and building legal slavery methods to capture the progressive energy that illuminates from our black youth.
So, what can we do to bring true change in America? It's not what we can do, it's what we are doing. Young black business professionals and ministry leaders have gotten together to form the Leading Edge United Association. Afro-American men all across the country are linking up under the power of God, and they are demanding more education, more resources. They are expanding and creating businesses all across the country. Together, we can win. Together, we will win. So put on your work gloves and join forces with Leading Edge United Association. Sign up as a member at www.unitededge.webs.com. Tell us your ideals, dreams, and ambitions. Call us if you need a big brother to talk to. This is true change. Stay tuned for more information on Phase 1. Special thanks to Leading Edge United Association's founder, Mr. Fisher, and TCC Global's founder, Mr. Craig Richardson.